while the Trump token has taken the crypto space by storm, we still have some important updates to go and talk on the airdrop side of things, which, as it's a Sunday, it's usually quiet, but I do have some insights. So make sure to listen closely. We jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first is the Dawn airdrop. This is gonna be huge. This is gonna be just like Grass, NodePay, potentially better than NodePay, as big as Grass, yes, because they know how NodePay messed up, which we all know they did mess up. So all you gotta do, I will leave you the link down below to go and grab it. And then once you go and connect over here, make sure to come and use the referral code that I am providing you right here. And you can go also here from the home, the profile, the dashboard, refer a friend. You can do what you want. If you wish to support me, thank you very much for the referral link. Simply insert it on the boosting reward, and I will give you all the opportunity once you go and sign up with the code. And that is it. This is simple as that. There is only this extension. Go and grab it. If you have already participated, which some of you have, let me know your total earnings down below. I'm curious to see a little bit, as well as if you do wish to have access to all of the airdrops that we do talk about and not on the channel, I have a Patreon link down below. This is exclusive for the Patreon supporters. It is only $4.99 a month, and I assure you, you will make your money back with all of the projects that we go and have over here. We got testnet, we got Telegram games, we got trading, we got Cosmos, we got Sui, we got free airdrops, we got Solana airdrop. There's over 150 airdrops, so make sure you go and participate. All the links you will be finding in the Patreon link down below. Next up, we have Orbiter. Now, Orbiter, I do want to talk about this because it is definitely something interesting, and it is definitely something that you will want and have as an airdrop. Absolutely, yes. So when we go and check our eligibility, let me know your eligibility as well down below. I will leave a link this website so you can go and check how it, what is the eligibility. I have 6,000 token, and I think it is actually going to be very, very good. Why? Well, if we're looking at the Arbitrum on chain, the valuation for only one chain bridge is like around $9 billion or $8 billion. I do think Orbiter has the possibility to launch at a very good valuation. Yes, because it has 40, 50 different chains onboarding on the same bridge. It is like a Web2, it is like T-Bridge, it is one of those, it's a bridging. But I think that here, being the so long run that they had, collecting so many fees from farming their users, I do actually believe that Orbiter are going to have a really successful airdrop, and that is just my opinion on the matter. I think airdrop is going to be really good. I got 6,000 just by simply trading, like we've done it. We've seen it in the Patreon website, on my personal Patreon. We've seen it on Telegram. We've seen it everywhere to go and do this. We didn't focus much on it because it is gone for like 2 years now. We're in the 3rd year of the project. But finally, the airdrop is there. But I do believe it is going to be really, really big. Another airdrop that is going to be really, really big is the Ink airdrop on chain. Now, you don't see much about this on Twitter. Everybody's bragging about they're making fake monies on Trump coin, and everybody's became a billionaire apparently. But they're not talking about the Ink airdrop. And Ink has a very easy to earn airdrop. First of all, it's all about transaction, like bridging in and out from one chain to Ink, providing liquidity, doing transaction, etc. Yes, we do that with all the bridges that we farm. We can do this on Stargate, we can do this on Relay, we can do this on Owelto, we can do this on Hyperlane, and we do it every time. Ink is one of those chains that we go and put our money is when we go and do the bridging for the farming of the airdrop. But they also have some quests which you have to go and do it. And as you see here, I've done it all. I've done the week 4 submission form. You will find this in my Patreon. You will find all of the answers for the different forms that you have to put on every week over on my Patreon. And this one is really, really interesting. You have super easy, as we see here, follow them, visit the link, etc. You have 4 weeks of missions to go and do. And one of them, as we see over here, for example, provide liquidity, which is any amount, meaning I've done $1 and I've got access, like provide liquidity or the other one. So there's different mechanism. You have the access to all 4 weeks, the members on Discord. And one important thing that you also have to do, and I will leave you the link right now. I've done it for Score and I've done it for Ink. go down and grab yourself your ink domain. I've done mine just right now before this video. It is one of the criteria to go and utilize over here, like deploying a contract, which you can do, as well as getting yourself the domain name, which it is a contract. This is one of the ink appreciate dev that you gotta go and do for this one, so make sure to go and do that. But ink, it is going to be, in my opinion, big and super underfarmed. Why? Because there's like 25,000 people only participate in this one that actually has them all. Yes, week 1, then people starting to forget. Already week 2, people are like, oh, you know what, half it. And it's literally half the size of the week 1 to week 2. And then week 3, people are even less. And then week 4, people are even less. So it is going to be, in my opinion, very, very big as an airdrop. Not diluted at all. It is going to very much give back to the community which participate. And we do this by doing all the quests over on Guild. We do this by utilizing and bridging in and out from when we go and do, for example, after I will go and do my Hyperlane airdrop, and this is a 2-in-1 because I am farming the Hyperlane airdrop on the token bridge, which, by the way, the Merclip app, you can find it in the Patreon link down below. You can go and we're doing the ink as we're bridging in from ink and out of ink. As you see over here, you can also bridge out of ink. You can go and put the max allocation. We got a $1 transaction fees only to bridge in and out. Or to bridge in is like 60 cents, I believe, from our Arbitrum, as we see here. Yeah, 57 cents, and to bridge out is $1. So we are farming the Hyperlane airdrop. We are farming the ink airdrop. And in the meantime, we're also farming all the other airdrops of all the bridges. So definitely something to go and do is the ink one. I will leave you the geared link down below, and then it's a simply straightforward request. And you will find the week 4 submission form over on my Telegram. And I will be giving this on the free Telegram. This is not for the paid members, so everybody is able to go and complete the week submission, the 4th submission. It will be live for everybody, so make sure to join the Telegram and to join, the Discord. And also the Discord is for the private member, but make sure to go and join the Patreon for finding the free version of the Patreon. You will find the answers to every week submission, and on the paid version you will find a one-on-one talk with me, tutorial, etc. Next up, we also have the airdrop season 2 has started for Ninja Blaze, which it is one of the OG airdrop that we have gone and see and participate in the past. The eternal moment has finally come. Ninja Blaze airdrop checker is now live. Get in and check your allocation, which it is through the link down below. I will leave you to go and check your allocation. We got it here. Token sale is gonna start soon. The airdrop number 2. So we can simply go in here, NFT holders, check eligibility. And with this one, I do believe it was the Kepler wallet that we have signed in back in the day. So let's go, and this one, I haven't done it in a while, but it is very interesting to go and see. We can click on approve. I'm not eligible for this one, nor for this one, nor for this one. Okay, well, I thought I was eligible for it because I did go and participate in the Ninja Blaze app. I am pretty sure I did. Maybe not with this. Yeah, no, it was with this one. Oh well, they didn't qualify me for it. Fair enough, I haven't even used it in such a long time. But the checker is out now. We did talk about it. Potentially some of you have been continuing to, be part of this. So if you did, you will find it as well. And the other airdrop, talking about grass, as we see over here, the Epoch 4 earnings has started. The Epoch 3 has ended, and you can go and check your allocation for the Epoch 3, and you're still in time to go and participate in the next airdrop. If we go over here to the rewards, I got for the Epoch 1 5 mil point, for the Epoch 2 7.6 mil point, for the Epoch 3 close to 3 million point, and it does seem like it is going to go on for another month until February 18, just after Valentine's Day. And then we could potentially see another airdrop from the grass token. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you did enjoy today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I will see you all later. Ciao, guys.